It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. We're happening to my 800 subscribers. Now, that's what happened. Hey Spirit Boosters, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. I am still determined to do my best to keep it with my health and anything else necessary in my life that needs to be under control, managed, and maintained. We're happening to my 800 subscribers. Well, what am I in here today for? I don't know. I forgot already. But let me think about it. Oh yeah, sisters. Y'all, I heard that it's going to be some very, very bad weather coming y'all way. And probably it might be a little bit this way. They say in California, some kind of monsoon. I'm just all out of context, all out of the necessary words. But it's not really funny because I think in the fall with this climate control, it's supposed to be some heavy rain, heavy rain, flooding. There are a lot of people are going to be displaced. They say this is allegedly supposed to be happening in the fall. Don't take my word for it. Do y'all research, check it out. Don't be caught without things y'all gonna need just in case, like food, water, toilet paper, necessary stuff to keep you healthy, clean, and satisfied. Don't be caught in this terrible weather without the essentials. Buy an phone charger that you can charge and keep with you. Keep your phone charged, 2-3 of them if you can afford that, because I hear this is going to be some devastating weather. I myself am thinking about collecting a few packs of toilet paper because I don't know what could happen. They said people going to be displaced. It's just going to be devastation all around with floods. Rain 30 days. Any of y'all know about this? They talking about it could be a possibility of raining for 30 days. You see it in bad weather for 2 days of rain is a devastation. So do y'all research, check out this information to see, what kind of options you have to prepare yourself. Especially get an emergency bag. Like I say, put things in there, water, medical supplies, hygiene supplies, phone numbers, phone chargers, all necessary, warm clothing, change of clothing, underwear, shoes, coats, anything you can stuff in an emergency bag. You guys need to get prepared. Now, that's what happened. Now, I am over here sweating right now. I think I am. That has really, excuse me, I'm pulling tissue paper out my, excuse my hand, my hands are ashy because I just got to messing with my plants and the bleach water and all that stuff. Y'all forgive me, but I just had to come on here and share this information because somebody probably ain't listening to the news, but this is California. We already going through droughts, but they say Northern California probably will be hit harder than Southern California. But y'all do y'all best to stay prepared. Don't get caught with your pants down. But other than that, y'all, I guess that's it. I ain't got no groceries to share with you guys because I already bought some groceries. We're happening to my 800 subscribers. Now, that's what happened. I want to go to Trader Joe's, change the subject, to get me some things. I just told y'all the grocery haul, but that's with my vegetables and some meat. Now, let me see. I chose 2 days right now to eat meat. I haven't had meat in 3 days now. I might want a piece of chicken tomorrow. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do something. But y'all, I just want to come here and share that news because that's important that folks know what the heck is going on. Then they passed that a law that they say ain't gonna. I couldn't believe I was reading. They said a law ain't gonna take effect for 4 years. Now, that's what happened. What the heck? Talking about lower medical medicines, prescriptions, and health care and all that stuff. Why does it take 4 years? They said if they had 60 votes, it would only took a year. But no, they said allegedly no Republicans voted for the prescription. Now, that's what happened. Lower prescriptions for seniors or whatever. That's awful. They old as anybody, old as dust over there, and don't want to. I guess they got a few dollars, so I guess it don't matter. They got good health insurance, got a few dollars in their pocket. So, boy, Republicans are something else, y'all. But that's them. I don't want to be a Republican ever in life if that's how Republicans act. Y'all, my hair is wash day. My hair is jacked up. I'm changing the subject everywhere. It's hot out here. It's been hot. They say it's climate control. The climate is changing. Global warming. No, I don't think the Republicans believe that either. But y'all, don't quote me on that. Do your research. Check things out. Don't be frowning either, y'all. Because when you frown, you get them wrinkles and stuff. Now, that's what happened. Look at me. I'm just all over the place, huh? Just dragging on my video. What happened to my 800 subscribers? Yep. Thank y'all for watching my last few videos. And that's what happened. Everything going on, like I'm saying. I got what I'm telling y'all. I read it in a news article, heard it on the news, saw it on the news. Believe it or not, you best to get prepared, Californians, because bad weather is coming. Don't be left with your drawers down. Don't be left without. Take care of yourself and your family. I don't even know why I'm carrying on, because some people don't be listening. They just have to experience it. They don't believe nothing until they experience it. People don't know until they experience stuff. My hands are so dry. That bleach tear me up. On top of the eczema. Yeah, I got to get out here. Like I said, I ain't got no groceries. I plan on going to Trader Joe's soon because I like those cube garlic I got and the ginger. And I do like the zucchini. They got a nice selection. I like the broccoli over there. That reminds me of having broccoli. I think I'm having broccoli today. It's Monday, y'all. It's Monday. Okay, I think I got a few more seconds and I'm about to wrap this video up. Stay prepared. Sisters, take care of yourselves. I'm going to try and get over there one day. If it ain't at night. Later. Now, that's what happened. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit